All right, these next two, 8 and 9. Here we go. Suppose the water level, we're talking word problems now. The water level of a river is 34 feet. Okay, it's decreasing at what's that word that it uses? A rate of half a foot per day. A rate of half a foot per day, and it says it's decreasing. Remember, if it's a rate of change, something is decreasing at a rate of change, that means this is our slope. So I want to write y equals, well, I could do it two ways. I could use y equals negative 0.5x plus 34, or you could write it as a fraction, y equals negative 1/2 x plus 34. All right. I mean, I'm assuming a lot of us will do this. Okay, and that's fine, especially for this problem, since it does say half a foot per 0.5 feet per day, 0.5 foot per day. You know what I mean? Because it does use a decimal in the actual problem. But the most important part here is, since it says decreasing means that there's going to be that negative. Right? And it's saying that there's a rate. The rate is 0.5 per day. Should have given you like a big sign. The rate was our slope. Okay, so a plumber charges $30 for his service call, or for their service call. Excuse me. A plumber charges $30 for the service call, and $60 per hour upon arrival. Write the slope-intercept form. So if this person charges $30 for a service call just to get there, and $60 per hour upon arrival, the $60 is our rate, and the service call is our y-intercept. Per hour, that's a rate of change, that's a slope. All right, let's try this one. The table below shows the number of hours spent studying for an exam and grade for the exam, compared to the grade for the exam. The equation here models a situation where x is the number of hours studying and y represents the exam grade. Using the equation, predict the exam grade if a student studies for 8 hours. So 8 hours is our x value. So I'm going to say y equals 6.31 times 8 plus 62.05. All right, I should figure this out beforehand. So 6.31 times 8 plus 62.05, and I get, wow, they really got a good grade. 112.53. Must have been some extra credit there. I wonder what they'll get if they study for 12 hours. So again, I'll plug the 12 in for my x value and solve. All right, so I'm going to go 6.31 times 12 plus 62 holy buckets, 137.77. Wow. What a nice teacher to give that much. Holy buckets. That much extra credit. All right, that's it. Happy studying.